Hello everyone, it's DCuber and today I am going to review and unbox this Mofang Jiaoshi Kibi Minx. So I recently ordered this puzzle from a local store, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review it. So first of all, about the packaging. The packaging is really nice. It seems like it's in a glass box, but it's actually plastic, and there all things are written in Chinese. So now let's unbox it and let's see the puzzle. Here's some tape. Now to the package. So here's the cube itself. So the Kibi Minx is a 2x2 Mega Minx with no centers and edges. If you know how to solve a Mega Minx, then you can solve this puzzle as well. And apart from the puzzle, there's a solving guide for this cube, which I don't need.
Why are we still here?
So now let's move towards the puzzle. So it has got really nice texture to it. The ridges feel also really nice. And let's do some first turns. It's very wobbly, and like all sides are just like moving because it's non-magnetic. So the first turns, it turns pretty nice. Except from the its wobbleness, its turning is pretty cool, and the shades are really good as well. The Shenshao one is called the Kilo Minx. This is from the Moyu, the Mofang Jiaoshi, and it's called Kibi Minx. I prefer Kilo Minx more, the name, but I bought this one because it was stickerless, and it has better turning than the Shenshao. Yeah, so turning is pretty cool. If it if it got add in the WCA events, then I'll I guess magnetize this, and then it could be used in a competition. It's a good contender for a new event in WCA. You can also tension this cube by taking this cap out from all the sides, so you can tension it. I'll be back after a bit of tensioning and lubing it in the puzzle because it's really dry and unstable now. So I'm back after tensioning it and putting some lube in it. So now let's do some first turns. It feels much better. I have actually loosened the cube up because earlier it was too tight. It's still dry because the lube hasn't spread yet. Let's check the corner cutting after the tensions. 40 degree, I guess. Yeah, it can corner cut 40 degree, and reverse it can't because of this piece in between. It just can't cut it. So now let's do a solve. So here I'll make up these two just like this, and I can now go on for this piece, and now here's how the layer is made. Now we have to put these pieces in. So here it is, and the next one here, and now here, and for the last one here it is. Now we can just solve the corners. I haven't looked at any tutorial for this because I am good at Mega Minx and I also know how to solve it. I can solve it pretty easily, and it's same as Mega Minx. but just without like the center and the edges. It's a cool puzzle. It costed me around 8 US dollars, so it's good for its price. You can buy it from the store near you. I'll do a AO5 on it, and let's see what time I get.
After about doing 25 solves with this puzzle, I can say that Kiwi Minx or Kilo Minx should be added in WCA. It's really fun to solve. It is different from the Mega Mix, as the 2x2 is different from 3x3, so it should be added. Now about this cube, the MFJS Kiwi Minx, after breaking in, this cube turns really good, and now I managed to get really good times with it. First few solves were really bad. The times were same as my Mega Mix times, but after some practice and tensioning, now I am sub 50 with this cube. So this cube is really fun to play with, and you can also buy it.
That was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I upload cubing content regularly. I'll be back next time, and until then, this is DCuber signing off.